Opera, through a press release in August 8, 2018, announced that it is launching a browser that will feature a pre-installed cryptocurrency wallet. The new browser has come as a result of strong interest and overwhelming positive response from the crypto community to the mobile crypto wallet, which launched in July 2018, according to the press release. Opera has also already garnered success with its Opera News app in Africa. It will not be a surprise if the company leverages this huge demographic in an effort to introduce and get the crypto wallet adopted as widely as possible. The Opera News app is the most popular app in Kenya since the Opera News app launched in January 2018. The app has already reached 10 million downloads in Africa. Add its Opera mobile browsers, and the News app is able to reach over 90 million people, according to the Opera News press release. According to Apani and Nendo, a Nairobi-based digital consultancy firm, Opera News is the most popular and most downloaded app in Kenya. How the Opera crypto wallet will work. The desktop crypto wallet will enable users to connect it to their Opera for Android crypto wallet by simply scanning a QR code to synchronize, similar to how WhatsApp web clients work. Once scanned, the Android app will communicate access and permission capabilities to the wallet. The crypto wallet in Opera for Android is a user-controlled wallet, and connected users will be able to sign transactions using their fingerprints rather than enter passwords into the browser, which is potentially more secure. Opera does not savor H. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.